Hello, greetings to Doctor. My name is Bharanidharan, son of Ketan Vivendan. My metric card number is CE200101. So today I'm here to present about our group project for electronic communication system. So we are from section 1, group 1. So for this subject, we are supposed to build a transmitter and receiver circuit for FM radio. So we are required to build a separate set of Arduino FM transmitter and receiver system. So this circuit need to transmit and receive signal using the FM radio frequency band. So next I will show you my group members. First is Nur Farhan, next is Fahmi, then Fakrul Razi, Prabhakaran, and the last is me. So we work together as a team to finish this project. So the requirement for this project is the circuit should successfully modulate and demodulate the FM signal and retrieve the original audio signal. So uh, the two separate circuit need to work. For the transmitter part, it should uh, modulate the signal, and then the receiver part need to demodulate the audio signal so that the audio signal can be uh, modulated into digital signal, and then the digital signal need to be demodulated by the receiver into the audio signal. So when we transmit the signal, it should be transmitted and received, capture all the data, and it should be demodulated into its original form that we can later play on. So next is the frequency band should be in FM FM phase. So it should be in the Malaysian bandwidth. We are according to the MCMC range, so it should be in 88 megahertz to 108 megahertz. So next, my teammate will explain about the components we use and the circuit. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Right. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And my name is Nur Amirul Farhan bin Baharudin. And my matrix number is DE20001. So I from group 1 and section 1. So today I want to present for the simulation that I already do. And my part for the report is to do the simulation. So so as we know, this is the potentiometer. So the first connection is to the power supply, and the second connection is to the LCD, and for the third connection is the ground. So for the LCD, this connection for ground and power supply, and this to the potentiometer, and this connection to the ground, and the third and this connection to the Arduino Uno. So this as we know, this is the receiver. So we call it TEA 5767, and this is the speaker. So for the speaker connection, this is the ground, and this is the power supply. So for the receiver, this for the receiver connection, this is to the ground, and this for SCL and SDA. So for the SCL and SDA, this connection to the Arduino Uno, SCL and SDA. So this is the connection for the power supply, and so this is two button, and the connection, the first is to the power supply, and this is the ground, and also the same, and I connect it together, and then this connection I connect to the Arduino. So this is for the receiver, and then for the transmitter, uh, also the same for the connection, to for the connection for the potentiometer, supply connection to the Arduino Uno, and this is connection to the ground. So this is the LCD. So it's connect to the LCM 1602 IC2. So we can call it IC2. So the connection for the IC2 is ground, and this is the power supply, and SDA connection to the Arduino Uno SDA, and this connection SCL to the connection to the Arduino Uno SCL. So this is the transmitter. So for the transmitter also the same. For the SDA and SCL connect to the Arduino Uno, and power supply, and this is the ground. So that's it from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Isfami bin Karim. My metric number DE190170. For my presentation, I will do the demonstration of our project, which is I will demonstrate the prototype of FM radio transmitter and prototype of FM radio receiver. Okay, this is our FM radio receiver prototype. The prototype will receive the signal from the F frequency. So, for this demo, we set the signal is 96 megahertz, which is Sina FM. So, as you can see, you can hear the audio signal from the Sina FM. That's all from the demo for the FM radio receiver. Thank you. Okay, this is our FM radio transmitter. This prototype will transmit the audio to the radio signal. Okay, for this demo, we will use 99 megahertz frequency. So to prove this, I will play the song, which is Viva la Vida. And by open the radio on phone, we will get the song. To prove anymore, I will change the song. So, that's all for demo for the FM radio transmitter. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sokarazi Brosli, and I'll explain for the conclusion for this project, which is firstly is the transmitter and receiver setup that has demonstrated a functional and reliable system for this data transmission and playback, which is the music or the audio. Secondly, the transmitter was able to send the data at a specific frequency, and the receiver was able to receive and play the signal with a good quality, which is the transmitter can transmit the music to the specific frequency, which is 99 megahertz, and also receiver can receive the transmit frequency at the also at 99 megahertz. And lastly, this project is providing a functional and effective solution for the data transmission and playback. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.